Hold up, wrong intro. Roll the new one. Hello people, welcome to another video on my channel. Exploring to be doing a little vlog today of going to the ancient town of Rye. I'm actually going to be meeting my friend and we're going to be doing like some non-urban exploring, like photos kind of thing, but mostly going to be walking around the town of Rye, maybe go to some charity shops or whatever. But maybe I thought I'd do a little like vlog because I've not done one for quite a while kind of thing. But I thought I'd do one for today. Hopefully we're going to be doing some like pictures of around the area of Rye and maybe going to the bell tower in Rye church and look at the views kind of thing. But yeah, I'm going to be leaving a link down to my Facebook page where I'll be uploading photos from this vlog, and also I have actually uploaded albums to my Facebook page of exploring abandoned places as well. But yeah, I'm going to be leaving a link down to my Facebook page for if you wanted to go and see photos from the journey of Rye or the visit of Rye kind of thing, and also other albums to my abandoned places kind of thing. But I thought I would spice up the channel kind of thing with a vlog. But yeah, hopefully you're going to enjoy the video, and don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and if you wanted to see more videos like this kind of thing, let me know in the comment down below. But yeah, let's get on with the vlog of exploring the ancient town of Rye. finished doing the vlog from yesterday, which was the 6th of August, and today's the 7th, I thought I'd do the outro now because it would be much easier. I'm actually editing the video now, as you can see, doing it now, but as you're watching this video I've done it. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little vlog of Rye and my little day visit kind of thing. It wasn't very like urban exploring kind of thing like I used to, but I'll go back to like normal videos after this one, but I thought I'd try and do a little bit, think something different kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. I'm going to be leaving a link down to my Facebook page where I'll be uploading photos from my vlog on my day visit of exploring the church and also the women's prison or museum of Rye Castle. But yeah, there'll be a link down below to all of the pictures that I took on that day visit. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video and the vlog. I'll be leaving a link to all of my social medias down below as usual kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe if you're new for more vlogs like this, and also urban exploring videos as well, and other like main channel videos kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Over and out. Bye. Hello people, and thank you for watching my video, and if you'd like to turn the bell on for notifications so you won't need to miss any videos which I upload, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also don't forget to follow me on my social medias. The links will be in the description down below. You can follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and also thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in another video. Over and out. Bye!